Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA jong kamairang constituency uba medba lingdo habaya keren matkilat pathai khubor menta kasngi ga lai tarik ubnaya yong arjar arpulai hadin ke jingelang jong ke planning board ulaong bakaseng UDP ka Sngewthikna bha Punjab hagi election ka ban salong ha Sohïong constituency namar kumulatif bahagi ni binay beladem ke election commission kala pensenge ye ke jingnya tap vote hapo ke constituency hadin ke jingklat no jong kurtong ubanya khun ke election ban minta nakal liang ke commission kala de ban penbet ye katarik ban penlong ye ke election ulaong ru bakat kum ke jingyo i jong u shimet ban hadin ke jingye kendo ban uwei ubreu uban ke wei pat ke constituency Henry ubasyong basa ha Sohïong ulaong beminta ke kenti ki patba kin ailat biang bat kin penya soru sya ke UDP da ke bakin mau e ki kam ki ba uba HDR lingdo ulale ha ka por ba udang don ha ka kam ha ka bayadai bat ke common minimum program nakaliang jong ba med ba ulaong ba yakaniru unsapun sngow ho menteri rang ba Conrad Sangma pada kaju ko por kaseng kan pensngoro ya laki jong ki nongrim ki balong nakabenta ka bha kamiat bat ka jingmento jong ki patba ka jilla.
We are very confident. That this time, even from Sohïong Constituency, after the adjournment for polling, which has been announced by the Election Commission, and now the adjournment date has been fixed by the Election Commission. So we will move ahead, and till now, whatever information that I have, whatever inputs that we have received from the ground level, things are going in favor of our candidate.
So do you see that the sympathy wave also will be to the advantage of the UDP in Sohïong?
Yeah, definitely, because what I witnessed myself personally when I met one gentleman who was from my constituency but married and settled down in Sohïong constituency. He said, this time we will ensure that even we were with a different political party, but this time we'll ensure that we are back with the UDP to ensure that we would like to see show our gratefulness to late HDR Lingla because of his contribution to the constituency and even to them also as family. In this during those years when he was the MLA of Sohïong.
Sir, as UDP chief, what do you have to say about this common minimum program? Because we have seen that MDA1 government also could not frame this common minimum program. Will you press upon the government to have common minimum?
Well, as of now, our Chief Minister is very busy with to complete the process of different appointments and notifications to be issued. And as of now, he's out of session. Once he's coming back, so we will address those issues.
Don't you think that? Will you take up the matter and will you push the Chief Minister at least this time in MDA government to this?
We will address our concerns. We will address our concerns as a party to the Chief Minister. But I'm very sure that those points which we will address will be taken into consideration. Because it is, at the end of the day, it's the welfare of the people of the state.
So as a UDP, how will you ensure transparency and accountability in the government? Because certain leaders are saying review of border issue and also to have accountability.
All those points would be taken, whenever we have a next meeting with our Chief Minister.
Thank you so much.